In the last video, we talked about scopes and modifiers in object-oriented PHP. If you didn't catch that one, head over to the channel, subscribe, make sure you're starting from the beginning of this series. In this video, we're going to be talking about the model view controller pattern, otherwise known as MVC in PHP. MVC is a design pattern that separates the application into three main components: the model, the view, and the controller. The model represents the data and the business logic of the application. It's responsible for retrieving, storing, and performing any necessary processing on that data. The view is responsible for displaying the data to the user. It receives the data from the model and presents it to the user in the appropriate format. And the controller is the bridge between the both of them, the model and the view. This receives the input from the user, performs any necessary actions using the model, and then updates the view to reflect the changes to the data. In PHP 8.2, we can easily implement the MVC pattern by using frameworks such as Laravel and Drupal. These frameworks provide pre-built classes and functions that make it easy to implement the MVC pattern in your application without having to rewrite all of the code. It is important to note that MVC is just one type of design pattern and should not be confused with other types of patterns such as creational pattern, behavioral pattern, or the structural pattern. We're going to be looking at these patterns in detail in the next video, design patterns in PHP. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this series. Peace out.